Nihilum multiplication or base multiplication. This is base related multiplication. So friends, this is specific method and can be used for such numbers which are near to the bases. Working sutra is Nihilam Navatah Charamam Dashatah. So friends, let us first understand the algorithm for the numbers near the real bases. Let n1 and n2 be the two numbers. n1 is multiplicand and n2 is multiplier. n1 and n2 be the two numbers near the same real base, and d1 and d2 are the deviations for n1 and n2 respectively. What you have to do is identify nearest real base for these two numbers n1 and n2. After that, you have to find the deviations for both of these numbers. Let d1 is deviation for n1 and d2 is deviation for n2. So before beginning actual working steps, we have to write the two numbers n1 and n2 like this, one below the other. Then write deviations exactly in front of them. Draw horizontal line. Now we will calculate the answer in two parts. This is RHS or right part, and this is LHS or left part. Step number one is to calculate right part. What is right part? Calculate the product of two deviations, d1 and d2. Calculate the product of these two deviations and write that product in right part. This is slash. We have drawn this slash to separate right part and left part. What is step number 2? Step number 2 is n1 plus d2 or n2 plus d1. See, either add n1 and d2 or add n2 and d1. Either add n1 and d2 or add n2 and d1. Select whichever is simple and write the sum in left part, that means left hand side. Step number 3, number of digits in the right part. See this part, right part. Number of digits in the right part should be equal to number of zeros in the real base for the n1 and n2. So excess digits, if any, should be passed to left part, and if deficit of digits, then write the number of zeros at the left side of existing digits in the right part to fill up the deficiency. See friends, if real base we identified for the two numbers is 100, how many zeros are there in the real base 100? Two zeros. It means that we need to retain two digits, or we need to have two digits in the right part. But if we have three digits, then we have excess digit, one excess digit, and that excess digit should be passed to left part, and passing means adding. You have to pass that extra digit to left part, and passing means adding. That means you have to add that extra digit to left part. You have to transfer that digit to left part and add that digit to the number in the left part. And if there is deficit number of digits, then what's to be done? If there are two zeros in the identified real base, but there is single digit only, it means that this part is deficient by one digit. Okay, I repeat, if there is single digit, but in the real base we have two zeros, it means that this part is deficient by one digit, because we need to have two digits, but there is one digit only. So this part is said to be deficient by one digit at such time. At such time, what's to be done? You have to write 1 0. so that this part will contain 2 digits. If it is 1000, real base is 1000 and there is single digit only, it means that this part is deficient by 2 digits, because we need to have 3 digits here but we have only 1 digit. Okay, so at such times you have to write 2 zeros to balance it. And important thing is, you have to write these zeros at the left side of existing digits. So once you have balanced this right part, remove slash and write the two parts. That means numbers in these two parts. And this is our final answer. Okay. So friends, let us solve sufficient number of examples.